Forgotten username recovery failed on InvestingCube Fix. If you're locked out of InvestingCube because you forgot your username, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong by entering the wrong email or missing key verification steps. The surprising truth is that with the right approach, you can regain access quickly and securely. Step 1. Open the InvestingCube website and click Forgot Username. Enter the email link to your account. InvestingCube will send a recovery email with your username or secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check every email folder, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails often end up there. Avoid sending multiple requests too quickly, as this can temporarily block your account. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather verification information such as your full name, subscription plan, or recent activity on InvestingCube. Contact their support team with these details to expedite the recovery process. Step 4. Once you've retrieved your username, store it securely in a password manager or secure note. Enabling two-factor authentication provides an extra layer of security, reducing the risk of future login issues. By following these steps carefully, you can regain access to your InvestingCube account without frustration. Proper verification, patience, and secure credential management are key to keeping your investment insights, market analysis, and portfolio data safe and accessible.